Meaning of encampment.
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 Encampment. Encampment refers to the act or process of setting up a temporary camp or settlement. An encampment can be established for various purposes, such as military operations, exploration, or recreation. The result of an encampment is a temporary community that is typically equipped with tents or other forms of shelter, food and water supplies, and other necessary resources. Encampments can range in size from just a few individuals to large groups numbering in the thousands, and may be maintained for a few days, weeks, or even months depending on the circumstances.